Hi there, students. Febrile, febrile, febrile as well. But I think for me, I'm going to go for febrile, but I think all of these pronunciations are possible. Okay, let's see. We use febrile in two different ways. You can use it to say something that has involves a fever. So the patient is very febrile at the moment, or febrile. Yeah, he's got a fever. Yeah, he's feverish. He has a high temperature, and that's medical, and that's effectively where it comes from. But we can also use this word febrile in a different way to say that somebody is full of nervous energy. Yeah, I'm thinking there was feverish activity, there was febrile activity. Yeah, people rushing around, full of nervous, excited energy. You could even have a noun, the febrility, talking about the noun, the quality, the feverishness. So the febrility of what was happening was amazing. Yeah, people were running around everywhere. I think if we use this word febrile, we're saying extremely active, maybe too excited, too emotional, too imaginative. Yeah, he has a very febrile imagination. Yeah, it's full of intense emotions and things like that. Yeah, he talked with febrile intensity. Okay, so with a great deal of nervous energy, with a great deal of excitement. The febrile atmosphere of the city centre. Yeah, the febrile shopping that goes on in the days running up to Christmas. Okay, so febrile, feverish as in sick, yeah, so the patient is rather febrile. Or in an agitated state, yeah, the I think people COVID plunged people into a febrile state of worry, wanting to go out but not being able to because they were locked down. Okay, so febrile activity, yeah, people running around. I think we live in very febrile times where people are rushing around trying to do things, maybe over enthusiastically. Yeah, a febrile atmosphere. Yeah, with people rushing about. Okay, so febrile, full of nervous energy. Yeah, full of activity. Yeah, so feverish, hectic, frenetic is the idea. People rushing around, and that's the idea of it. So febrile. This comes from Latin, from febrilis, febris, a fever. Yeah, notice we can use feverish, so feverish activity. Yeah, people running around, almost in a panic. Yeah. And then as to formality, febrile, this is rather literary. I think I'd probably give it something like a 6.5 in formality. I definitely would not use it informally. Yeah, I think I would probably say feverish if you really wanted to use the word more informally. Yeah, febrile activity, febrile running around. Semi-formal conversation, again, I would probably use feverish. Use it in a semi-formal writing or something very literary. A literary text is a great place to use it, or in a poem. So there you go, febrile. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Febrile.